This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bonnie Mayo. Great Lake View, across from the models, with huge screen Lanai, 19x16. Open floor plan west/large great room west/center island in the kitchen. Mediterranean elevation, this home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with 2-car garage. Living areas tiled with wood look tile, bedrooms have carpeting. Upgraded kitchen cabinets with quartz countertops with stainless appliances. Bathrooms also have upgraded cabinets and quartz countertops. Laundry room has upper cabinets. Front door is impact rated. Garage is pre-plumbed for a future laundry sink and also has a side entry door into the garage. Water heater is a tankless gas water heater. HOA includes basic cable, internet, lawn, landscape and AMP, irrigation. And AMP, amenities under const. Clubhouse, pool, tennis courts, pickleball, fitness center. For more information, review the details below or contact Bonnie Mayo at 772-236-2446.